Hello everybody, how to cast your Android screen to your TV. There are several methods. First one, just go to settings here and look for SmartView in Samsung or Mirror Share in Huawei, and then it will detect your TV and you just select it. It works, for example, with my LG TV, also with my Samsung TV, and here we go. That's it. I can stop it here, right? Disconnect. Other method, you can use a dongle like Chromecast and you just send the videos with either Google Home, adding this device and sending your screen, or also just using this icon that appears in the apps. Third method, instead of using no cables, you can connect a computer with an HDMI cable to your TV, and then you can send your contents to your computer. I leave you the tutorial in the info, but with AirDroid Cast it's very easy to cast your screen and sound from your device to a computer and then to a TV connected by cable. The fourth option is browsing your TV for an app that has the word cast. So you look for cast and there you have the apps that are recommended for your TV. For example, in my LG, Web Video Case Caster goes very well, and I installed it in my tablet and it works perfect. I have a browser in the app, and then in my TV it already detected the device, the tablet, and I can start to send my contents. Just clicking on this icon when I go to a web to look for the videos that are over there, and I select the video and I cast it to my screen with sound. Here I have it, and here it goes. Okay, enjoy it. See you next time.